Hi everyone, it's Monday, March 30th, and it's time to do a little bit of math. As you'll remember, when we left school, we had started working with subtraction, looking at part, whole, taking the whole, pulling out a part, and seeing what other part remains. So we'll be doing that today. Your lesson is lesson 7.2. It looks like this. Yours will be in color. At the bottom are the instructions for the parent or adult in your household to read to you. Each instruction will have to be read because every equation can be a little bit different. So today's lesson has to do with starting with a whole number and looking at the two parts as we pull a whole number apart into two pieces. So remember, each whole makes up part, whole. So today you'll be starting with the number 7. They're going to ask you to draw 7 apples. So let's count and see if I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I encourage you to count as you draw your apples to make sure that you have 7. So they've told me I have some apples that are yellow and some are red, and I get to decide how many are red and how many are yellow. So I'm going to take my red marker first, and I'm going to color in a few of the apples. Okay. So I've chosen to make 1, 2, 3, 4 apples red. So I'm going to write my first part right here, which is number 4. That's the first part. You'll see sight word and. I'm going to color in my remaining apples yellow. So now I'll count and see how many yellow I have. 1, 2, 3, and I'll write 3. So that I know that my two parts were 4 and 3. I broke 7 into 4 and 3. Part, whole. I could have chosen to do 2 red and 5 yellow. I could have chosen to do 6 red and 1 yellow. Those are all ways to break the number 7 apart. So as you work through your lesson, you'll be pulling whole numbers and breaking them into 2 pieces. And the instructions will be there. Sometimes they will give you the 2 parts and you'll simply go in and circle them to break them into 2. So as you can see now, I've broken mine into 2, 4, and 3. So that is our lesson today, taking a whole number and breaking it into 2 parts. Do lesson 7.2 for March 30th. Thank you.